Hey guys, just wanted to let you know we're adding more parts for a company that just recently closed called Powersports Factory or Powersports Factory Supply. They've had several names over the years. They were also known as Yamati Scooters, PFS for short, or PF. They had a lot of different nicknames. So we offer parts for these scooters, which are made by QJ, and we have a huge supply of QJ parts. We have different QJ numbers, and when I say QJ, so you can see the number here, and it has the model number and the part number, and they say genuine parts and the model. And a lot of these work on other QJ models, but the thing about Benelli and Andretti and Yamati is that Yamati was made by different factories, not necessarily just QJ. And the thing about Andretti and Benelli's is that the Benelli's you might see out there that were previously gray market imports were actually made in Italy, so they use totally different parts. And the new Benelli's that were imported by PFS, Powersports Factory, Powersports Factory Supply, or Powersports, or whatever you want to call them, Yamati USA. They had several different names because of their stock issues over the years. So going back in, PSF, PF, PFS, whatever they went under, had a lot of different sources, but most of them were QJ. The QJ parts sold on a Vento or a Diamo or a United Motors don't necessarily work on the Benelli Andretti's or Yamatis. Specifically, the Andretti's, because they had totally different plastics and sometimes even different levers. So only the ones that were for Andretti or Benelli would work. For example, this one is a B08. So the B08 left lever actually worked on the Yamatis, but it did not work on the Benelli's. We have totally different ones for the Benelli's, which also seem to be the same as some of the CMSIs, which are TNGs. So even though it came from the same factory, two different parts. Just something you should be aware of when looking for Andretti Benelli parts or Yamati parts. Powersports Factory or Powersports Factory Supply or Yamati scooters, whatever their name, you might have them listed under as a supplier. There's still a lot of those scooters out there, especially in Puerto Rico, so let us know if you need any parts for these. We'll help you find them.